The T in brother stands for tenacity. Look at the person next to you and say tenacity.
Tenacity.
One of the things I was taught in Alpha Phi Alpha at Gamma Iota chapter was tenacity was something I should always strive for. Always strive for tenacity. That means you should never give up. That means you should never give up on your brothers. Now, some of them might get on the pits of your last nerve, but don't give up on them. Some of them may have given up on themselves, but don't give up on them. Some of them may not know where they're going, how they'll get there, but don't give up on them. I was taught in the Gamma Iota chapter that we should never quit. We should never quit on Alpha. We should never quit on family. We should never quit on our brothers. I was taught that when things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, when you want to laugh, but you have to cry, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. As brothers, we have a responsibility to never give up on one another. You know, I'm reminded of a story I heard, Brother Hunt, about two frogs. And you see, these two frogs fell into a deep cream bowl. And one of them was an optimistic soul. But they say, Brother Bailey, that the other little frog had a gloomy view. I shall die, he declared, and so will you. So with the last despairing cry, he threw up his legs and said goodbye. But the other little frog said with a merry little grin, he said, Brother Kemp, I can't get out, but I won't give in. You see, I'll just swim around a little bit until my strength is spent, then having done all, I'll die content. So slowly he swam until it would seem that his efforts began to churn the cream. Then on top of the bowl at last he stopped, and out of the bowl he happily hopped. What's the more, Brother Bullock? It's easily found. If you can't get out, keep swimming around. Are you allowing the brothers in your life the space to keep swimming around? You know, sometimes you have to hold faith and belief in brothers until they believe it for themselves. Never give up on your brothers.